Okay, this is a video on how to upload video into YouTube. So you should have already created your media, saved it as an MP4. Log into your YouTube channel or create it. And then when you go into the dashboard, you want to hit create. And sometimes it's a little movie symbol that's not red. You just want to click on that and then click on upload video. And then this comes up. I've got a file already. I want to upload. How to insert this one. So what it's going to do is it's going to start uploading it. It'll have your title. And what I usually do is say, and just give it a description. And you can see it's already generated your URL here. It will go through and it'll pick a thumbnail. You can go through and change that later. I have playlists. You can see all my playlists here for different classes. I'm going to put this in what I call instructional videos. And then it's not made for kids. And then I go to this show more. There's a few more things you want to fill out. You can add tags if you want to make it easier to find. I usually, most of this, I have the categories education, and they've added some new things just the other day, which I'm not going to worry about. I always turn the comments off. I disable the comments, and then I even disable show many viewers like this. Then what I do right away is I copy this URL, and I have a document here where I keep all of these. And so I've got that saved. You can always find that pretty easily when you log into your YouTube channel. I hit next. You can do various other things. I usually do any of this after. It's going to check for copyright. And then you go to save or publish. And I always make mine public. If it's private, only you, and you have to give people the URL, or unlisted, or I just make mine public. And then I hit publish. Now, it does take a little bit of time for the video to upload, but this one's fairly short. And then it gives you the video link here, so I'm going to close. And then you can see in the YouTube channel that your video is here. You can edit it, you can look at the details of who's watching it, and so on. So that's how to make a video, or how to insert a video into YouTube.